With an example, we will take case 1, decimal with decimal. How to divide two decimals. Now take the example 2.45 divided by 1.5. Now first convert the decimal into fraction form. That will be the most easiest and the simplest way. 245 divided by 100 divided same 15 by 10. Now here both are in fraction form. Now first convert this decimal into multiplication sign. Convert decimal in division into multiplication sign, and only the right side fraction will be in the reciprocal form. Now multiply numerator, that is write together, don't multiply directly. 245 into 10 upon 100 into 15. Now 0 get cancelled. Before multiplying the numerator and the denominator, first write together and see to it to reduce in the simplest form. If it is not possible, then you can multiply directly. Now since it is possible, so I am cancelling. 5 3 ja, 5 4 ja 20, 4 carry, 5 9 ja 45. That is 49 divided by 10 into 3. Now 49 by 30 is the first answer. First answer is 49 and it is 10 into 3 30. That is the 49 by 30 first. Then first way. Second way is divide 49 by 30. Second case, second way. And the third one is divide these two and remove this 0 by moving towards the left side, the decimal point. Now what I am doing, just I am dividing 49 by 3. Now 3 divided by 49. 3 divided by 49. 3 1s are 3, 1, 9 it is, 3 6 are 18, 1, not possible, 0.0, 3 3s are 9. Leave this till after decimal point. Only one dish I am doing here. The answer is, if you divide these two, the answer is 16.3 by 10. Now after this, now remove this decimal point. Now it will be 1.63 is our answer. How I did already in the last class, I have explained how to remove this 0 and how the decimal point has changed. Now you can go to the previous video, there you will see. Now decimal with the whole number. Take the decimal example 3.24 divided by whole number, we will take 4. 3.24 divided by 4. Now again say first convert decimal into fraction form. Decimal 324 by fraction. Now it is in fraction form, divided by 4 1. Since we do not have consider 1 in the denominator. Now 324 upon 100. This division changes to multiplication and this will be in the reciprocal form. Only the right side, not the left side. Now write together 324 into 1 is 324 only. 1 into anything. Then next 100 into 4. Now see to it first, can we cancel it possible or not? If they are not possible, then we can go directly. Now 4 1s are 4 8 is 32, 4 1s are 4. That is 81 upon 100. Now this will be 0.81. Since we have two digits in the two zeros in the denominator. Now third case, decimal with the fraction. Now take the example decimal, we will take example 3.7 divided by, we will take the fraction 3 by 7 only we will take. Now this will be 3.7 divided by 3 by 7. Now convert decimal into fraction. 37 by 10 divided by 3 by 7. Now what we have to do, write this division into multiplication and this will be in the reciprocal form, 7 by 3. Write together numerator as well as denominator. Since here in this case here, in these digits, the simplification is not possible. That is, the cancellation is not possible. So what we have to do? We have to multiply directly. 7 7 is 49. 7 3 is 21 plus 4 25. By 10 3 is 30. Either we can write 30 or we can write again 10 into 3 only. Now here we have, if we want the final answer in the decimal point, in that case only you keep this steps in mind. Now first divide this 259 divided by 3. If you want the answer in decimal, if it is in fraction form also it is correct only, you can leave till here only, or 259 you can divide by direct 30 also. Like that also you can do. 259 you divide by 30, that is the first one. In second one, fraction form, answer also you can write it, leave it. Now the next third one is, now I am complete answer I am writing the decimal point. First divide this 2. Three divided by 259. Now since 2 is not possible in 3 table, so we will take 2 digit. 3 8 is 24. 1 9 carry. 3 6 is 18. 1 not possible. 0. 3 3 is 9. Leave it. So after decimal point I am taking only one digit. The answer is 83.6 divided by 10. Now I am removing the 0, it will be 8.63. This is our answer. In any of the way, out of the 3 ways, if you follow any of the one way, you will get the same answer. Okay, so no need to worry, you can follow the any of the method, any way which you feel the most easiest and the simplest way. Hope you love the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep practice. In next class we will start with the new topic. Till then, bye and take care.